How to delete Facebook page. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete a Facebook page permanently. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the three dash icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the menu section, simply tap on the drop down arrow which can be seen beside your profile name. So here simply tap on it, and here from the pop-up menu, simply select the page that you want to delete. And now here, once you are inside your page, simply tap on the three dash icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here from the menu section, simply tap on the gear icon which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And now here, once you are in the settings section, simply scroll down and look for the option that says access and control. And now here, once you have found it, simply tap on it. And now here in this section, you simply have to tap on delete page option. And after that, you simply have to tap on continue. And after that, you simply have to tap on continue by giving it a region. And here, once you're done with it, you simply have to tap on continue again. And here you have to enter your password and confirm it. And after that, Facebook will schedule your page for deletion. And if you change your mind, you usually have 14 days to cancel the deletion. And that's it. That's how you can delete your Facebook page quickly and easily. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.